Hi guys and welcome. Today we are going to do an unboxing again, and unfortunately my ring light has been broken, so I have to sit in here like I normally do to get the daylight from the window. I hope it's going to be okay, and I hope you're going to see me and hear me as normal. I have ordered things from Shein today. I think it's Shein. Because I've heard so much about it online and I've heard a lot of reviews about it. So I wanted to try it out, and hopefully it's going to be a lot better than my previous videos from Airycloth or Airydress and Wish. You can see a link to them up here, and they were not really good. So yeah, fingers crossed this is going to work a lot better. I need to explain though that this is something I actually ordered before Halloween. So this has been laying around for quite some time, and it will be some Halloween themed items in here. But as you've seen from some of my previous videos, I have not been in a good mental place, and I've just not been motivated to do anything. So I'm unboxing this now, and hopefully it's going to be something I can wear. We'll see. So we're going to start with this one. As you can see, it's Shein. They're pretty bags. And because it's been such a long time, I can't even remember what it was I ordered. But that was not Shein's fault. They delivered in good time. It's just me that's been keeping this laying around. So let's see what this is then. Oh, okay. That's pretty. With some sheer arms to them. That's nice. It looks very, 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 very small. So that's going to be it's a 1XL. I doubt that's going to fit me, but we'll see. Next thing. Oh, that looks interesting. It's something red. Aw, faith, hope, and love. That's nice. It also looks a little bit small for me. It is an XL, so might be that all of these clothes would be something for me to shrink into. I'm not going to say grow into because that's not going to happen. But shrink into. And then we have, these. When my eldest daughter goes to school, she's at home right now because they've had a case of COVID in school. But when she goes to school, she goes on the school bus. And of course, on the school bus and on the premises in school, they need to wear face masks. Well, I thought that it might be fun to not just have the normal black, boring thing. So I got these. They're Christmas masks. Merry Christmas. And then we have a Santa Claus. And then we have another one. And then the last one. and Merry Christmas. So I thought they were really cute. Look, they come with a little, you can tighten them. So my girls got smaller face than me. They can tighten them up and they sit a lot better. I thought that was quite cool. That's right, nice. A bit more fun than just the normal black boring thing. It is a pocket here. So you could put an extra filter in or something if you want to. They're made of fabric, so of course you can wash them. I thought they were really cute. So that was Christmas. We also have these, and they were for Halloween, but I didn't read properly, and sometimes I just rush through things. I saw something and I thought that was really cute, and I thought the girls wanted that, and I saw it said children, and then all of a sudden I saw it said toddler. So I think these are going to be a bit too small for my girls. They're Halloween. So there's 3 different Halloween masks. Little cute things. But like I said, they're probably going to be a bit too small for my girls. We're going to try and see. And of course, Halloween's been already, so silly me. But nice. I also, because I am now working as a lunch supervisor, and I thought, oh wow, this is going to be fun to put on. Like I said, I haven't unboxed it. I haven't done anything with it yet. And also the Halloween week was half term here, which means the girls were off school. So that means I was off school and I didn't have any use for these, but I'm sure they come in use next year. It's a necklace and 2 earrings. Pumpkin, really cute. So we're going to save them for sure. What else? There's something else in here. What's this? Oh, I know what this is. This is supposed to be a Christmas present for my girls. And I just thought that was really, really cute. You can't really see that, can you? No, you can see you can see my garden. I'm going to take a picture of this and put that out. But it's really cute. It says, to my daughter, never forget that I love you. Love, Mum. And it also says, I hope you believe in yourself as much as I believe in you. And I just wanted this to be with them, one for each girl, and hopefully they can look at this and think that, yeah, I'm okay. And there was 2 of them. That was it. That was all from Shein. I think I was a bit worried because I've been shopping online before and not really knowing what size I am. I didn't want to go through with a big shop. So it's only 2 tops and then some little things, little fun things like the face masks and the jewellery. So I hope you enjoyed this. Hopefully I'm going to do another Shein in the future because I really like their clothes and it's good quality and it is what they show. But like I said, these are going to be too small. I hope you enjoyed this. I will see you again. Take care and don't forget to subscribe, of course. Hit the little bell, leave a comment and a like, and I will see you again. Take care, guys.